his father? Did he ever say anything about what happened? Or was he simply written down? You're reading too much into this. But everyone's got skeletons. Doesn't mean there's a dark force attached to it. Listen to me.
Okay, that way it wants to be.
Some superstition. Something malevolent is at work here. It's called your wife and child. You're scaring yourself with all this mumbo jumbo. It's just stress. It's not stress. I see it. The devil inside. The center of it all. This thing, it's tied to Sandra's pen. But stop. If Sandra doesn't need this, you need to go. You're dealing with enough already. I don't want to see this. I don't enjoy knowing what's coming. Rachel, I love someone like that. It's not just some home. It's a door. Whatever is on the other side, it's coming through. If you don't believe it, just watch. You don't hear something. I don't believe in spirits, curses, any of that. Now, I appreciate you trying to. We don't need Satan. Good night.